Welcome, friends. It's Bob and Fran, your healthy aging and healthy eating advocates and authors of the best-selling book, 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. Today's topic is a pretty serious one. It's about GMOs, genetically modified organisms, in foods especially, and how they can impact your health.
GMOs can be simply defined as any plant or animal that has had its DNA, its cellular genetic material, modified or altered through genetic engineering.
Far too many crops producing the foods we eat every day have been genetically manipulated for commercial purposes.
Some of the most widely used crops like soy and corn are unfortunately up to 90% genetically modified, according to our research. While there are some who say that GMO foods are harmless or even good for you, we personally choose to avoid them.
Yeah, I don't want to eat any foods or any seeds that have been chemically injected in any way.
Doesn't sound good.
No.
For us, one of the biggest issues is because they are made to be chemical resistant. This means that they can use more chemicals on them. In our opinion, this makes them super contaminated and dangerous to our health.
And just think, over 70% of these chemical-laden crops are intended as feed for animals, from chickens to beef. This does not bode well for the animals, of course, nor for the people who eat these animals.
Hi friends, just a quick break here. Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical AquaTrue tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water. No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So we urge you to click on the AquaTrue link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please invest in your health now. Our investigation indicates that plant seeds that have been injected with chemicals have been linked to various forms of cancer, as well as allergies and resistance to antibiotics.
Of course, another problem with GMOs is their devastating impact on the environment from using so many herbicides and pesticides, as well as the cross-contamination of farmland.
We believe that what we eat should be natural and not changed chemically or in any other ways. As a matter of fact, many countries throughout the world have actually banned the growing of GMO crops.
In addition to GMO crops being profusely grown in the United States, the labeling of these foods is not mandatory. Go figure that one out. However, many food companies have recently chosen to label their products non-GMO verified. So here's a tip. As Fran is holding up an example, you can find their small emblem with a butterfly on many products that would indicate that they are non-GMOs. So kind of watch for the butterfly.
We encourage you to do your own research on GMOs, and we invite your comments below on this topic. And of course, we would be grateful for you subscribing to our channel to get notified of future videos about healthy aging and healthy eating.
And we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Come back soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.